AyaNeo demonstrated the latest handheld gadget, the AyaNeo 2S, which is equipped with the brand new AMD APU, which is presently the most powerful APU available for handheld devices. It demonstrated outstanding performance as well as great generational improvement. But, between AyaNeo 2S and the Steam Deck, which makes more sense? Can the AyaNeo 2S deliver the same value as the Steam Deck? Let us find out. Sleek and aesthetically pleasing, the AyaNeo 2S has the same design outline as its predecessor, the AyaNeo 2. Compared to Steam Deck, this new model has a much more compact layout. As Eta Prime in his latest video has mentioned, this handheld is super comfortable to hold. And according to him, the D-pad here is truly amazing. It's perfect for playing games such as platforms and most importantly fighting. On top of that, the Hall defect joystick sensor seems to have everything you need at your fingertips. In comparison, Steam Deck is equipped with capacitive touch thumbsticks and analog triggers. Although these joysticks might not be on the same level as the Hall effect sensor, it does ensure accurate response and precise control over your games. But what makes this Steam Deck quite unique in terms of button layout is its additional trackpad right underneath the joysticks on both sides, which are perfect for playing RTS games and other top-down view genres. Moving on to the internal specification, the AyaNeo 2S is equipped with a Zen 4 Ryzen 7 7840U APU powered by an RDNA 3 graphics chip. With the maximum clock speed of 5.10 GHz, this chip exhibits a substantial generational leap in performance compared to its predecessor, the Ryzen 7 6800U APU in the AyaNeo 2. This adds integrated Radeon 780M graphics chip based on the RDNA 3 technologies, showing significant improvement, and this might be the primary reason to anticipate the AyaNeo 2S. According to the Eta Prime in his review video of AyaNeo 2S, he was getting an average of 75 FPS at 22 watts on 1080p higher settings, while playing Forza Horizon 5 in game mode. What's even more impressive is, you can run games like Cyberpunk 2077 over 70 plus FPS at 800p lower settings. Additionally, the console is available in both 16GB and 32GB memory variants. Now, the Steam Deck on the other hand is powered by a custom-built Zen 2 based APU with a boosted frequency of up to 3.5 GHz. Which has an integrated 8-core RDNA 2 GPU with a maximum of 1.6 GHz of boosted frequency. As we can see, performance-wise, Steam Deck is really far behind when it comes to updated internal hardware, primarily because the generation gaps between these two consoles, but since it's properly optimized, it can pretty much run most modern games with decent FPS settings. For example, games like Doom Eternal runs at 60 FPS and 800p medium settings, and God of War with FSR and performance mode can run at an average 51 FPS. Talking about the display, the latest AyaNeo 2S has a beautiful one. Unlike other handheld consoles on the market, this one features a 7-inch bezel-less screen, and AyaNeo definitely deserves great for such a bold approach. The screen also features that in 1920 by 200 resolution and 500 nits of peak brightness. The color of the screen sure does look amazing, due to its higher brightness and bezel-less viewing experience. Steam Deck, however, includes 7 inches play featuring 1280 by 800 resolution and lower 400 nits brightness compared to 2S. On top of that, the screen does possess black borders around the edges, so even though the screen size is equal, it does possess a lower resolution and less brightness. But as we have mentioned before, this is due to different generations. Who knows, if the Steam Deck was a recent release like the AyaNeo 2S, maybe it would feature a more attractive display. In the end, typically Steam Deck is still unbeatable when it comes to price and value, as it costs only $399 for the base model. However, if you want new hardware and a more powerful machine for on-the-go gaming, then the $949 AyaNeo 2S is also worth considering. So there was the contrast of the AyaNeo 2S and the Steam Deck. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.